This is the English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Professor L.V. Gaikwad is teaching today the topic Occasions and Examples of Speeches. This is my lecture number 296 and part 7. So here today we are discussing some occasions of the speeches which we have seen that they are called the ceremonial speeches or the speeches which are given at the time of the festivals. So the first is here inspirational speaking. The inspirational speaking is given for creating the inspirational environment in audience. The main purpose of this speech is to arouse an emotional occasion within the audience who are listening to us. Emotionalism creates a sympathetic mood in the audience, and that's why this is very important. There is the correlation between the ceremonial speech and the inspirational speech because both the speeches make the audience emotional. Though some of the inspirational speeches are based on the ceremonial occasions, they also carry other contexts that create inspirational speeches. Now, the next is goodwill ensuring speech. Remember here, the speaker gets the surety of his speech from the audience, and that's why it is called the goodwill ensuring speech. Goodwill is an individual asset and identification individually. The goodwill speeches are released to attain goodwill in the heart of the audience. The main purpose is to seek audience to win goodwill in their minds. The goodwill speeches are persuasive, that is, the audience are persuaded through the inspirational speech towards the life of the person, that is the speaker or company. But the intention behind them is not so only the positive highlights of the company are spoken out. Goodwill speeches are given for seeking goodwill and changing in audience minds. The goodwill speech has three basic types of speeches as follows. The first is public relation speech. This speech is given to public to establish relation with them. The speaker seeks here to increase an image of the organization of himself or herself. It means that here the identification or here the image of the company, the organization, or of the speaker, if that speaker is woman or a person. That's why the image of these factors is very important here. These speeches are happiest speeches because their ultimate goal is to win people to like the speaker with the presentation and the company's highlights. Through this speech, people are changed to love the speaker or the company. The speaker should talk on the next strategy here of the company only to get goodwill. Now, the next speech is justification speech. It is given for justification to balance the goodwill. The speaker should mildly prove here why certain actions will be taken as it is appropriate because someone will defeat himself. It is for someone's or company's benefit. He should explain the significance of the actions taken against somebody. So here today we have finished the occasions and examples of the speeches, lecture number 296. Again we will be there in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.